Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome to the channel. So today we'll be unboxing the iPhone XR black 128GB version. So I bought this tempered glass screen protector and a case too for the phone. So anyway, let's get started. So this is not the Indian variant. I got this phone from US. I pre-ordered the T-Mobile unlocked iPhone XR, which cost me about 850 USD or about 60k INR. The same model is selling for about 82k INR in India. So I'd say I saved quite a bit by getting it from US. So once we are in the box, we are greeted with the manual, the SIM ejector tool, some other documentation and the Apple stickers. So underneath those is the phone itself. So let's start by peeling off the plastic. Now below the phone we get the standard 5W US adapter, lightning earpods, but the lightning to headphone jack converter isn't included this time, and thank God we get the lightning cable at least. Let's put all this aside and turn on the phone and set it up. So I'll be setting it up using my old iPhone 8, but you can set it up manually too. Let me just quickly set up Face ID. For now, I'll be setting it up as a new iPhone and I'll restore it from backup later on. And agree. Yes, enable location services. And yes, I do want Siri. Share with Apple. Share with developers. So this phone has True Tone like my old phone, and I think I'll be happy with True Tone. Display zoom, no, I don't think I want display zoom. I prefer the standard display usually. I've been using the standard display on the 8, so I'll just go with that. And go home, I think it's just teaching me the gestures. I know all that, so let's just get started now, shall we? And we're done. Thanks for watching guys, like and subscribe and peace out. Do I need to fade away or stay laying down on the floor?